Hey, what's up guys? This is Alex from StackTrading.com, and this video is a purpose to go a little bit in more detail about the trade of the day, and that goes to Pinterest. So yesterday Pinterest reported really strong earnings, and today we woke up with analysts giving really strong price target upgrades, and a lot of them were in the $70 and $80 range. So we knew that there was going to be a gap and go type of play with Pinterest today. So we told our traders in pre-market to prepare for that gap and go situation. We saw the low set in on the gap and go right here at, you could see here. So low of day 63.87 around there, or 85. It tested that low, rebounded, reclaimed the moving averages, and the next areas we were looking at is, okay, let's see it reclaim this area, 65.50, and then if it can break pre-market highs of 66.46, we are in a good spot. So I actually started my call option position. I bought 67 calls with November 6th expiration. Bought them right here at 65.50. When we saw that break of the pre-market highs, I actually doubled my call option position with confidence, knowing that this was going to break higher. I also pulled up level 2 and saw where the sellers were, and that gave me a little bit more confidence of where we can have some overhead resistance on it. And I was telling the traders, guys, 68 is in the cards, potentially even 69. So we definitely hit the 68 price target on Pinterest, and that's actually where I personally took my profits, and I did announce that to all of our traders so they could have decided whether they wanted to take profits as well. Pinterest did hit a high of 68.94, so we were right there at that 69 mark. So Pinterest was a really solid trade, guys. This was the only trade that I took in the morning. I was done with my day in 10 minutes. I mean, that doesn't happen very often, but when you're done with the day in 10 minutes, I mean, it's just a sweet feeling. We actually had some traders who saw this sell-off right here, the AMA breaking below the 13, and they actually asked us, hey, would you think shorting Pinterest here would be a bad idea? Personally, I didn't short it. And I did tell our traders, look, technically speaking, you could short it. It could come back down, break below the 20, and I do see support at least where the gap and go situation occurred at 63.85, right? And we almost touched that area. So if you short it, just keep your stops tight, right? We had some traders who shorted it with 500, 1,000 shares and made some good money on it. I think they ended up scalping the short, but nonetheless, there's so many different ways you can trade literally just one stock. One stock can feed everybody if you just know what to look for, what key technicals to look for. And to be honest, guys, we freaking nailed this trade today. So you could have been with us, made money on one trade in 10 minutes just like me, and go back to bed if you wanted to. So, I mean, that is pretty much what we saw here. There's nothing, no secret sauce, no nothing. We were just looking at all the key technicals, looking at the relative strength index, the volume, level 2, and setting specific targets, right, on when to get in, when to add, and when to take profits. So that's how we trade, man, at Stack Trading. And if you want to give us a shout, or if you want to give us a try, we are offering a 1-week free pass. So you can check us out, day trade with us for 1 week free. And then if you love us, I mean, hey, subscribe and trade with us every single day. We stream every single day from 9 a.m. Eastern to about 11 to 12, depending on the day, right? But typically 12 o'clock is when we have a firm stop on our day trading. So if you've got any questions, comment on this video below, or you can DM us on Instagram and Twitter, and we'd be happy to answer your questions. And one last thing to mention, our community is actually open to everybody. So we have a Discord server, and it is a free community. You can come and join. You don't have to pay $1. You don't have to pay any subscriptions, and you can be part of the community and have access to a lot of research and information that we provide to all of our traders that help us make decisions every single day. So love to see you guys there, and have a good one.